Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial Kitchen as Science. One day when I was helping my mother in kitchen, I observed that when she makes chapati, parantha or any other dish using wheat flour, she used to separate bran and impurities from the flour. I'm sure you also might have observed your mother using a device something like this. Yes? So in today's video, what we are going to do is we will see the method of separation called sieving to separate the impurities and bran from the wheat flour. And what all we need for this activity is a sieve, a little wheat flour, a plate, and if you are performing this activity outside the kitchen, just take a sheet of paper instead of the plate. So let's begin.
Bring a sieve and take a small quantity of wheat flour into the sieve. Now shake this sieve, and as you can see, the smaller particles passes through the holes of the sieve, while the larger particles or the impurities, they remain on the sieve. You can sieve it more and we can separate the bran from the wheat flour, as you can see here. So this is the wheat bran that is left here along with some of the impurities like this, and this is the sieved flour that we can use to knead the dough and make any dish that we want. Now what if I add some of the corn flour into the wheat flour? Will you be able to separate them using sieving? Let's explore. So I'm adding corn flour and the wheat flour into the same sieve, and see if we can separate these two mixtures using sieving. Both wheat flour and corn flour have been sieved through this sieve, and we are only left with the impurities on the upper side of the sieve. So I think sieving is not an appropriate method in order to separate the components in a mixture that are of same size.
So this is how sieving is done. As you have seen, there are certain limitations of this method. Sieving is useful only when the components of a mixture are of different sizes. So here's a task for you. Explore and figure out how sieving is done in the mills and factories, that is, sieving at a larger scale. Explore it and hope you have understood the method sieving. Thank you.